What is this? This is a wall clock. What is this? This is a desk. What is this? This is a desk clock. What is this? This is a chair. What is this? This is a desk lamp. What is this? This is a computer. What is this? This is a desk calendar. What is this? This is a laptop. What is this? This is a pen. What is this? This is a monitor. What is this? This is a pen holder. What is this? This is a keyboard. What is this? This is a pencil sharpener. What is this? This is a computer mouse. What is this? This is a portfolio case. What is this? This is a headset. What is this? This is a cutting mat. What is this? This is a telephone. What is this? This is a printer. What are these? These are pushpins. What is this? This is a scanner. What is this? This is an ink pad. What is this? This is a fax machine. What is this? This is a soda streamer. What is this? This is a photocopier. What are these? These are files. What is this? This is a shredder.
What are these? These are rubber bands.
What is this? This is a file cabinet.
What is this? This is a lanyard. What is this? This is a laptop bag. What are these? These are scissors. What are these? These are paper clips. What is this? This is a safe. What is this? This is a highlighter. What is this? This is a briefcase. What is this? This is an envelope. What is this? This is a sheet protector. What is this? This is a postal stamp. What is this? This is a video conferencing camera. What are these? These are binder clips. What is this? This is a 3D printer. What are these? These are erasers. What is this? This is a Voip phone. What is this? This is a calculator. What is this? This is a binding machine. What is this? This is a whiteboard. What is this? This is a laminator. What is this? This is a bulletin board. What is this? This is a Bluetooth speaker. What is this? This is a projector. What is this? This is a bank card reader. What is this? This is a projector screen. What is this? This is a receipt printer. What is this? This is a modem. What is this? This is a desk fan. What is this? This is a stapler. What is this? This is an air purifier. What is this? This is a hole puncher. What is this? This is a water dispenser. What is this? This is a tape dispenser. What is this? This is a coffee machine. What is this? This is a label maker. What is this? This is a refrigerator. What is this? This is an external hard drive. What is this? This is a microwave. What is this? This is an USB drive. What is this? This is an office shelving unit. What is this? This is a server. What is this? This is a network switch. What is this? This is a file organizer. What is this? This is a power strip. What is this? This is an ergonomic chair. What is this? This is a cabinet. What is this? This is a mouse pad. What is this? This is a cable organizer. What are these? These are office cubicles. What is this? This is a desk organizer. What is this? This is a conference table. What is this? This is an office trash collector. What is this? This is a reception sofa. What are these? These are documents. What is this? This is a magazine rack. What is this? This is a coffee table. What are these? These are printer cartridges. What is this? This is a toner cartridge. What is this? This is a drawer. What is this? This is a planner. Who is this? He is an accountant. What is this? This is a duct tape. What is this? This is a laptop stand. Who is this? He is a manager. What is this? This is a dossier. What is this? This is a tablet. What is this? This is a router. What is this? This is a paper tray. What is this? This is a card printer. What is this? This is a pantry. What is this? This is a CCTV camera. What is this? This is a recycle bin. What are these? These are post-it notes.